Welcome back here on my channel. So today we're going to unbox another item, and this is actually some essentials from Watsons that I've purchased, and this also includes my multivitamin and other essentials that I'm actually needing from day-to-day life. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox these items this is from watsons.com.ph. I'm sorry that it's gonna be Greek word, but it's like I'm so excited to open this package because this also includes all those essentials that I need, especially the multivitamin that I purchased. And deliver pala ito ng Lala Move, so it arrived actually on May 5th, and gabi na siya nang dumating, no? So thank you so much, Lala Move, for delivering my items safely. And as you can see, guys, yung packaging ng Watsons is so secure, and I've done a lot of purchases from them since nag-move kami dito. And as you can see, guys, the package is so secure, and nilagyan pa nila ng fragile handle with care. That's what I love about Watsons. So let's now unbox the items, and I'm so excited to see what's inside and kung ano yung mga nabili ko. So let's open it. I have my cutter here. So let's do the ASMR first. Thank you for shopping with us. O, diba? You can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So this is high priority. I'm going to open it first, but I don't know where to start. So open na natin yung front view. I'm using my cutter. And as you can see, it's so secure. Ayan. Nabuksan ko na yung pack. And another one here. Let's see. Ta-da! So this is what's inside, and again, it's so secure. May nakalagay siya ng mga ganito, guys, para secure item. So the first item, actually may free case din sila. So let's open it. The first item is, wow. So this multivitamin actually includes Lupa. Ayan, so marami na akong ganito from Watsons. So thank you so much, Watsons. This is actually a freebie from them, and it's so very useful kasi you can use this when you take a bath, and punch nyo lang yung body mo. So using any of it. So, ayan, nakasecure siya. We have the Centrum Complete. Actually, we're trying this Centrum Advanced because it has specially balanced nutrient combination to support a wide range of benefits such as healthy heart, good eyesight, and immunity, as well as energy, and so much more. So this is the Centrum Advanced. It has a complete multivitamin from A to Zinc. Next item is, okay, and this is the next item, guys. Actually, we also have the paper, the receipt of what you purchased, and yeah, so I've already opened the FX Bath Loofah. This is the sponge, which is the freebie, and then we also have these multivitamin, which is the Centrum Complete. So the total quantity of items that I purchased is 18. So let's actually try to check it and complete siya. So yung skin ko, guys, I have hypersensitivity skin. Na-diagnose ako, that was 2022. So I use the soap, which is Dove. It's for sensitive beauty bar to face and body, and it has a moisturizing milk. So I purchased 3 of this, and it has a 1/4 moisturizing cream. This is unscented soap, and it is hypoallergenic, and it has bar care specialized for your skin, especially when you have skin conditions like hypersensitivity, leaving it soft, smooth, and glowing. Yeah. So you can use this Dove soap. And next item is the sunscreen. I'm actually regularly using the sunscreen now because I love the sunscreen because it has a protection for daily use, especially nowadays that it's summer. You actually will be needing to use this one, and it doubles as a lightweight concealer, and it also packed with niacinamide, lotus flower extract, PSASM, herb extracts, and more. So I'm regularly using this right after taking a bath and cleansing my face. I use this sunscreen to moisturize and protect my skin as well. Now the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna try to open this package. This is my daily essentials. As you can see, guys, securely wrapped talaga siya. And wala na talaga ako masabi sa Watson. This is the efficacent oil. Especially now, I'm on my 30s, guys. I really do need this efficacent oil. And I'm gonna go ahead and have these transferred to a certain bottle. Kaya bumili na rin ako. This is efficacent oil, counter-irritant. So this actually, it's a bigger size. Ito yung pinakamalaking size nila. That's 235 ml. Gusto ko itong item na to kasi whenever I do have body pains, especially masakit yung legs ko sometimes, and I have stomach aches, stomach pains, this actually this acts as a counter irritant actually. And ayan, I've been using this every day. Next item, tingnan natin. Oh, so these are the essentials that I'm needing. Meron tayong Myra E. So I only bought like 10 pieces of this Myra E. So I'm taking Myra E to regulate my menstruation, but actually Myra E also contains collagen that maintains healthy glowing skin. And also, I have these BioFlu 5 pieces kasi I'll be needing this, especially kung during emergency, at least may panangga sa sakit. Ayan. And it relieves flu and its multiple symptoms, kaya need ko talaga ito. And of course, I also have these Claritin. I use this as antihistamine kasi napaka-sensitive ng skin ko, guys, especially sa dust. Pag may dust talaga sa, especially kung naglilinis ako ng bahay or something, like naka-encounter ako ng dust, nakangati yung katawan ko, and And to prevent itching, ito yung ginagamit ko, Claritin Antihistamine. It relief of sneezing, runny nose, itchy watery eyes, itchy throat, or nose. Ito yung gamit ko. So it's Loratadine Claritin. And also, for my skin, I have these Dermovate Clobetasol Propionate. Ito yung nireseta sa akin ng doctor, guys, since 2022, since I have the skin hypersensitivity reaction. So kung nakagat man ako ng mosquitoes or any other insects, ito agad yung nilalagay ko, guys, kasi it would not irritate my skin further. And as you can see, guys, may mga blisters agad ako na tumutubo. So to avoid itchiness, ito na yung nilalagay ko. It's an ointment. Actually, yung laki ng lalagay nyo, guys, but this is just like small, ano lang, talaga, small size ng ointment. At napakamahal nyo, guys. This is worth 300 and something. Napakamahal niya. And for these Claritin, ito pala yung 4+1 niya, guys. This one. I use this actually, ito, and this soap. Ito yung mga prescription sa akin ng doctor at recommended to use. So I have the Claritin, the Clobetasol ointment, and for the Dermovate, and also this dog soap. Ayan. Napaka-high maintenance talaga, guys, especially kung nagkakaroon kayo ng mga hypersensitivity reactions sa skin nyo. So that's all for my haul, guys. Thank you so much for being with me, and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye for now. Take care.